Dear students, how can we know whether the given number is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 9 and 10? Now to know whether the given number is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 9 and 10, so we do actual division. So I am going to show you how we do actual division. So I am going to divide 10 by 2. 2 5 times 10. So 10 minus 10, 0, 0. So I say that 10 is exactly divisible by 2. How? Because I do actual division. Now if you have a large number like this, very large number we are having. So 24 crores 57 lakhs 85,678. So of course again we have to do actual division to know whether this number is divisible by 3 or 4 or 5. So if at all I want to know this number is divisible by 3, I have to go for actual division. So it is a time consuming process. So here it is not a time consuming process, but here it is a time consuming process because this is a large number. So when dealing with large numbers like this, so we need to know the techniques which help us to check whether a number 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever your number can divide the other number like these huge numbers without actually doing the division process. These techniques are nothing but divisibility tests which help us to know whether the given number is divisible without wasting the time. So, we are going to learn these techniques by means of divisibility rules. So in this heading, test for divisibility, you are going to learn divisibility rules. So why we have to know the divisibility rules? So to know whether the given number is divisible by the 2, 3, 4, 5, 9 or 10 in a quick time without going for actual division. We can save the time. So to begin with, let me explain you about the divisibility by 2. Divisibility by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if the digit at the ones place is 0, or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. So a number is divisible by 2 if the digit at the ones or unit place is 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. So let me give the examples. So for the numbers which are divisible by 2. Example 328, 52,346, 8,054, 92,860, 25,562. So all these numbers, that is 328, 52,346, 8,054, 92,860, 25,560, they are all divisible by 2. Why? Because as per the rules of divisibility by 2, so in this first number, in the unit place we have 8, here in unit place we have 6, second number, in the third number we have 4, in the unit place, in the fourth example we have 0 in the unit place, in the last example we have 2 in the unit place. So by applying divisibility by 2 rule without wasting the time and without actual division, we can say whether these numbers are divisible by 2 or not. And another example I am going to give you, 321. Here 321 is not divisible by 2 because in this number we don't have either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, we have 1. So 321 is not divisible by 2. So it is not easy thing for us to know whether this number is divisible by 2 or not. So having learnt the divisibility by 2 rule, let us move to the another divisibility rule, that is divisibility by 3. So I am going to write the rule of divisibility of a number by 3 if the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 3 or multiple of 3, then the given number is divisible by 3. I am going to read out. If the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 3 or multiple of 3, then the given number is divisible by 3. So I am going to take the example so you can know whether the given number is divisible by 3 or not. So example, so 135. So let me add the digits of this number, 1 plus 3 plus 5. So 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. See, 9 is divisible by 3 because 9 is a multiple of 3. Therefore we can say 135 is divisible by 3. So I am going to take another example, 12,516. Now we have to apply the rule. So what is that rule? We have to find the sum of each digits in this number. So 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 1 plus 6. So let me tell you the sum. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 6 is 15. So 15 is a multiple of 3 or 15 is divisible by 3. Therefore 12,516 is divisible by 3. Now another example, 42,966. Again, as per the rule of divisibility by 3, let me add all the digits of this number. 4 plus 2 plus 9 plus 6 plus 6. 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 9 15, 15 plus 6 21, 21 plus 6 27. See, 27 is a multiple of 3 and this is also divisible by 3. Therefore 42,966 is divisible by 3. So as you know, the divisibility of a number by 2 that we don't take much time. Here also, by applying the rule, we can minimize the time. That means time is saved. So immediately we can say whether the given number are divisible by 3 or not. Let us take another example. So whether this number is divisible by or not. See, let me add this, the 1 plus 5 plus 2. So let me add the digit of this number. 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. So 8 is not a multiple of 3, 8 is not divisible by 3, therefore 152 is not divisible by 3. So the divisibility rules, so minimize the time and without actual going for division, so we can directly tell whether the given numbers are divisible by 2 or 3.